Mr. Cool is landing, commencing Operation Saving Pilot Brian.
That's one small step for Mr. Cool, one giant...
The big yellow one's the sun!
Brian, you're alive! How in the bleep did you survive these extreme temperatures?
Mr. Cool DIY. It's not rocket science. Mr. Cool DIY is the perfect cooling and heating.
Brian, I know the drill. I'm the Mr. Cool guy. Mr. Cool is the perfect cooling and heating unit for every home and indoor space that needs climate control. So it makes sense that it would work on Mars. Click the link below to get yours today.
You do that better than me.
I do that better than anybody.
Operation Saving Pilot Brian is in full swing.
This is great.
Wow, Brian, your place is great.
Yeah, I bought it during the down market.
Nice. Brian, Houston, we have a problem.
Oh, quick, get inside!
To the amazing comfort of Mr. Cool. That's the farthest I've run since I've been here.
That's the furthest you've run ever. Mr. Cool DIY will help you breathe easy.
Speaking of easy.
Mr. Cool is easy to install and it's extremely energy efficient.
Which is good, because power on Mars is expensive.
Click the link to get yours today. Wow, Brian, your place is comfortable.
Thank you.
And you have a TV.
Yep. I made a video of me installing Mr. Cool. Bet you've never seen anything like it.
Well,
Hi, I'm Brian. Wait, is that on? Yeah. Hi, I'm Brian. And hello, hey, solar system. I'm a professional spokesperson. I'm here to tell you how easy it is to install Mr. Cool. You start with a tape measure. You just measure with the stencil provided, drill the hole to run the quick connect pre-charge line sets, mount the air handler to the wall, then connect the lines and electrics, and you're done.
Click the link to get your Mr. Cool DIY today.
Pretty good video, huh?
well, I've seen.
And you know what's really cool? I can use the Mr. Cool multi-zone to heat or cool different parts of the house based on my family's preferences.
Family?
This is my son. He likes it chilly. Ooh. And my daughter prefers it on the warm side. And this one likes it hot.
Yeah, she does. Is that your wife?
She's my personal trainer. We do hot yoga. I even have a dog.
It has whiskers.
Okay, I have a cat. Right, Mr. Cool Cat?
Click the link to make your family comfortable at an affordable price.
Little kitty.
Go ahead, cue the astronauts walking in slow-mo.
Hey, let's take a look.
Mr. Cool DIY is Energy Star certified, and DIY and multi-zone models can have up to a 22 SEER rating, a 5-year limited parts warranty, along with a 7-year compressor warranty. Boom!
Mr. Cool DIY saved you the cost of an expensive and invasive remodel, saving you days, even weeks of contractors tearing into your home. It also connects to your Wi-Fi so you can control it with your phone or the remote that comes with it. It even has a follow me feature.
Mr. Cool has thousands of reviews praising its quality and simplicity. Like Jason W. This was the best purchase and project I've ever done. That's why this is the first review I've ever taken the time to submit. Fantastic product, and the packaging was amazing.
And John Boy says, I can honestly say it's the best air conditioner I've ever installed. I'm 72 years old and I installed it myself. Click now to learn more about Mr. Cool.
2 astronauts coming back to Earth.
I bet you're looking forward to getting home.
Why would I leave here?
What?
I have everything I need here with Mr. Cool, including a cat.
And a pretty good-looking trainer.
Hey, drive safe.
I'll see you, Brian.
Bon voyage. Enjoy your rocket ride.
You too. You know, in case you ever have a rocket ride someday.
Brian is happy on Mars and Mr. Cool is coming home.
Take luck.
How much did we spend on this rescue mission?